Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more creative videos on machine learning using Python. As we have gone through many videos on face recognition, face detection, attendance system, we have seen lot of videos on attendance system. But friends, in my every video of attendance system, whether it is done in Streamlit or whether it is done in TK Interlibrary, every video is unique. Please watch all the videos. Every video is unique and every video is part of supervised learning where some formats, some algorithms were used. Today I will be presenting you a video on attendance system in a very simple manner. We have seen one video using attendance system, very fast attendance system, recognize face and very fast attendance is mark. Now today video is how to simply mark the attendance sheet in Excel file using Python. First of all, I will show you the initial part of the program in which the Excel file will be having, and there is nothing, my name is not there in Excel file, and after attendance my name and my time, at what time the attendance is taken, will be marked. So, and I have one folder of images in which different images are stored, and this technique is very helpful for marking the students regular attendance system. Now I will show you the initial state of the program. These are the images in which my image is stored, attendance, and here you can see here this Excel file. You can see here my name is not there in this Excel file. Now I will show you the program. Yes, this is a program, face recognition, the CSV file, and the date and time will be noted on. NumPy is used for mathematical calculation, and different face recognition load image file function is used on this thing. And here just I told you attendance record CSV file, and here encoding and this part is there, and I will press Q when I want to exit the program. Now I will execute the program. You can see here my name is there. Yes, my name is there. Now yes, attendance is noted very nicely. So I successfully done with attendance system using Python in very different manner, a very simpler manner, a very easiest way in which we can store the regular attendance in using Excel file. Now I will show the Excel file. Yes, you can see here my name is there and my time is also noted. So keep watching my videos on youtube.com for new creative and innovative videos on attendance system, face recognition, support vector machine, ResNet 50, then DLIB library. I will try to more focus on machine learning. Afterwards I will be shifting to the data analytics, that is data science, connectivity with Excel and this part, pandas and this thing. So thanks for watching.